Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename the images that were the stock photos that we're using on our client site in order to gain some additional on-page relevance for our SEO efforts. So inside the Dropbox you should have access to the our resources where it has all of our stock photography for roofing. You'll see a folder called Resize and Renamed. You just want to go inside there. And these are all the resized and renamed images, so it just has keyword-rich titles and they're resized for web use. And you'll see these folders here for the different clients that we have. What we're going to do, we've already created a folder and renamed the images for Markham. So as you can see, all these images now have a Markham keyword in them. A. Smith Roofing, we've got 3 locations that we're working with them on. So as you can see in Newmarket and also Richmond Hill, we don't have any images in. So what we want to do is go to the Resized and Rename folder. I'm just going to select all. I'm going to hit Control and just deselect the folders here. I'm going to copy these and I'm going to go over into the Newmarket folder. I'm going to paste these images in. Okay, and I'm just going to copy them and put them also into the Richmond Hill folder. And just paste. Okay, so now that these 2 folders have like the root images in them, we're going to go in and change the name so that it has our keyword phrase in them. To do that, we're going to go over to a program called Bulk Rename Utility, and this is just going to give us a way to really in one shot just go ahead and change all these file names so that they have our location keyword in it. So what I'm going to do is go over to Add. I'm going to uncheck pretty much all these boxes. Okay, so this section here where it says Add, that's the only one that we want checked. So what we're going to do for a prefix for this particular folder, we're in the Newmarket folder, so we're going to put New with a dash market. Anytime that there's 2 phrases, we want to add a dash. And for a suffix, I mean, we can even put Ontario. For insert, we're going to put a dash. As you can see, it changes the folder, or sorry, the name to Newmarket. Actually, the dash didn't work here. So I'll just put a dash at the end of Newmarket. So as you can see, Newmarket Commercial Roofing Installation Flat Roof. And it should say Ontario at the end. But it's a little bit too long of a file name, so I'm just going to put ONT for short form for Ontario. Okay, so inside here, just actually going to select all of them. As you can see, it's added Newmarket Exterior Siding Installer Ontario. So we're just going to hit the Rename button. And all of our files now have been renamed. So I'm also going to go over to Richmond Hill and basically do the same thing. So instead of Newmarket, we're going to type in and instead of putting Ontario at the end, I'm just going to put Richmond Hill, Ontario here. We basically want to have some variance since they're all the same images, similar sites. We want to have some sort of uniqueness between them. So I'm just going to click in the window, select all. I'm going to delete the Ontario here. So as you can see, Richmond Hill, Ontario, asphalt shingle installation, great file name, keyword rich. Just going to hit rename. And it's complete. So any new clients that we have for a roofing campaign, dentist campaign, whatever it is, we want to have unique image files as far as the file names for them for on-site SEO purposes. And this is the process. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.